Fast internet. This 0.9mm hot-melt quick release coupler is strong and easy to install. This 0.9mm hot melt quick connector provides a stable, long-lasting connection through fiber optic fusion splicing technology. This product is the ideal choice for your network connectivity needs. It is suitable for high-speed broadband, data centers, fiber to the home, FTTH, industrial networks, and other application scenarios. The sole requisite on the construction site is to strip the fiber, cut the fiber, and fuse it together with the requisite length of fiber optic cable. The product improves network efficiency, reduces maintenance costs, solves the waste of fiber optic cables, and improves the site's appearance. Bring a fast, stable, and long-lasting fiber connection experience to your project now.